Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig that I received from Premium Lace Wigs. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, continue watching, and also be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So jumping straight into this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I received in the package. So I got a pair of lashes, some lace tape, a melt band, an edge control brush, a wig cap, and this is just a care card that has all the information you need. And of course I received the wig, and it just shows you all this information. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you guys inside the wig first. So there are two combs on the side, one comb at the back of the closure and one comb at the back. They have this non-slip grip around the wig and also a band to secure the wig, so that is great. I'm showing you guys the lace on my skin as well. This is an HD 6x6 closure wig, and everything is done for you, so you don't have to bleach no knots, you don't have to pluck anything. It is a wear and go wig. So I did just go ahead and braid down my hair into 6 straight back braids. You just want to make sure your hair is nice and flat underneath the wig. And then I went in with some of my concealer and my makeup brush and just tinted the lace. That way it blends in better, and this is really the most work you have to do, guys. So I used the comb at the back of the wig to stick in the middle of the back of my head and just pulled the wig up. One thing I liked about this wig is that there was no part, so you could just do whatever you want. You could have done a side part, middle part, anything like that, but the middle part was actually there for you, but it wasn't there for you, if that makes sense. Like, when I went to go do my middle part, it was a straight part, so you don't have to worry about trying to find the part. It is there. But look how nice this wig just looks on my head. Like, yeah, the hair looked great and everything. Guys, I needed the coffee to stay. So we're gonna get into it. So as you can see, I just parted it and I seen the middle part, and also the baby hairs, like, they didn't do too much. Like, they didn't cut it, so if you don't want baby hairs, you don't have any short baby hair pieces, like, they gave you that option, and I really liked that. So I'm just defining my part, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick and my hot comb just to flatten out the top portion of this wig. So once that's done, this is basically how it looks. So do you see what I mean, guys? Like, all the work is basically done for you. So I decided I wanted just a little bit of baby hairs. So I just pinned back the hair a bit and just cut these pieces in the front shorter. As I said earlier, they did not cut the baby hairs, like they just kind of left some hairs out that you can tell you can use as a baby hair. So I did go in with my even adhesive and edge control brush and just did some baby hairs. This is a personal preference. You do not have to do baby hairs, guys. You can just rock the wig the way it is. Once that was done, I just used the melt band that was in the package and just laid it down until I finished straightening my hair. And this just helps more secure the lace, I feel, on your head. Like it just kind of like presses it in a little bit for you, just a little bit more. So you don't even have to put the melt band on, but I decided to do that while I straightened out the hair. So I just went in big sections and used my straightener. The straightener I used was the Babeless Nano Titanium 3000, and I used it on the highest heat because this hair is 100% human hair, so we don't have to worry about anything burning or any of that stuff. So that was great. Once I got through with straightening the hair, I just went ahead and removed the melt band and combed through the hair. So this is how it was looking, guys. It was so nice. So nice. I also did decide to go back in with my hot comb just to press the hair down just a little bit more. And when that was finished, I decided I wanted to curl the ends. So I just used the same straightener that I used to straighten the hair and just curled the ends a bit, as you can see. I don't know, for some reason something just told me to curl the ends to make it look a little, like just give it a little oomph, something different. So went ahead and did that, and basically that was it, guys. So guys, this is how the wig came out. I just went ahead and used my Shine On spray by BioSilk and just sprayed that all over. You could use an oil sheen. This is just a finishing spray, guys, but this is how it looks, and I honestly loved it. It's been a while since I wore a straight unit, and this was really nice. So as you can see, I was definitely feeling myself. I'm just showing you guys. I'm putting the comb underneath The closure, to show you guys, I did not glue anything. This is it, like straight out the box. So I did decide to just use that same brush I put my makeup on and dab the front of the lace just a little bit more, and that was it. So I took off my cape to just show you guys how it's looking. So if you did enjoy this tutorial, I hope you like this video. Comment down below, let me know. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button because I have many more videos coming. If you are interested in this unit, you can go ahead, check out premium lace wigs. All the details on this unit will be down in my description box below, so check them out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.